IPOs of 75 companies in pipeline. 75 companies across various sectors are awaiting the approval of the Securities Board of Nepal, Sebon, to go public. These companies are awaiting the stock market regulators nod to float 375.4 million units of ordinary shares to raise Rs 54.15 billion from the market. According to data provided by Sebon, 37 hydropower companies have applied to raise around Rs 18.26 billion from the market by floating 178.5 million units of ordinary shares. IPO proposals of hydropower companies have stalled at Sebon for a long time amid conflicting instructions and regulatory concerns. The Public Accounts Committee (PAC) of the House of Representatives had earlier directed Sebon to reject IPO applications from companies with a net worth below Rs 90 per share. The Finance Committee later advised the stock market regulator not to consider net worth as the sole basis for approval. Concerns over project viability further delayed the process. The Sebon leadership was also accused of mobilizing middlemen to collect kickbacks from hydropower promoters for IPO approval. In terms of the amount to be raised, however, the manufacturing and processing sector leads the chart. Companies under the category plan are awaiting the regulator's nod to float 126.9 million units of ordinary shares worth approximately Rs 27.04 billion. Similarly, 3 companies from the hotels and tourism sector are preparing to raise Rs 1.42 billion through 14.2 million units of shares. Meanwhile, 4 investment companies have applied to float 18.6 million shares worth Rs 3.14 billion to the general public. 3 microinsurance companies, Protective Microinsurance, Star Microinsurance, and Liberty Micro Life Insurance, have also sought Sebon's nod to issue 6.75 million units of shares to raise Rs 675 million. Out of 7 microinsurance companies licensed by the Nepal Insurance Authority (NIA), 3 have already issued their ordinary shares to the general public. Additionally, 10 companies from other sectors have submitted proposals to issue 27.6 million shares worth Rs 3.43 billion. Once approved, the upcoming listings are expected to inject fresh momentum into the market, particularly in energy and manufacturing sectors that continue to draw strong investor interest.